Good morning, fifth graders. You are here with Senora DeVries, and we are going to talk about the ABC book. The ABC book is a fifth grade memory book, and what it does is it takes all of your favorite memories from elementary school. Now, this first part today, we are just going to be brainstorming. So, you're going to receive a document that has each letter of the alphabet. In that document, I want you to think about things throughout your elementary school career of memories that you have that begin with that letter. So, for example, the letter A. A lot of times I see apple on a book day. You might have some other letters that other words that you have for A as well, but that is certainly an option, apple on a book day. And if you have some other brainstorming ones, you can put that in the box as well. Then you can think of B. A lot of times I see boosterthon. You can put some other options in there as well, something about books, lots of different options. If you've had a teacher whose name starts with B, you can put that in there as well, or band if you're involved in band. C, you can think of something that starts with C and put that in there. And today is just going to be a brainstorming session. So you'll put in all of the things that you can think of for those letters and try and think of things that you're able to write a little bit about as well. In the book, you'll do an explanation of what the memory is. So try and think about things that you can explain a little bit to your reader as well. So we have all of the letters here. And then on the next page, we have P to Z. So today is all about brainstorming. Later in class and in our Zoom sessions, we'll talk about some of those harder letters to think of and what other students have thought of. So don't worry if you get stuck on a letter, just try other letters. You don't have to go in order. I would suggest going to the ones that are easier first, and then the ones that are more challenging we can discuss all together. Thank you. See you later. Bye.